Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not installing. First, let's start with some basic checks to ensure a smooth process. Make sure your internet connection is stable and active, providing reliable access. Always verify that your device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements before attempting installation. Additionally, temporarily disabling any antivirus software or firewalls can prevent interference. Finally, confirm you have at least 500 megabytes of free storage space, which is essential for installation. Clearing out old, unnecessary files can often resolve stubborn installation problems. Begin by opening your computer's Run dialog box. Simply press the Windows key and R together. Then, type %temp% into the box and delete all the temporary files you find in that folder. It's also wise to clear your browser's cache and cookies, removing any outdated data. For best results, restart your computer after completing these steps, allowing your system to refresh completely. Sometimes, the best solution is to start completely fresh with a clean reinstallation. First, uninstall Roblox from your computer's apps and features settings, ensuring it's removed from there. Next, you should manually delete any remaining Roblox folders from your app data directory after the uninstallation. A quick computer restart helps clear any lingering processes, preparing your system. Finally, download the very latest Roblox installer directly from the official website, ensuring you have the most current version. Administrative privileges and system compatibility are crucial for successful software installation. Always right-click the Roblox installer and choose Run as administrator to grant necessary permissions. Ensure your operating system is fully up to date with the latest patches, as this can prevent many issues. Check for any conflicting background applications that might be running, closing them if possible. If problems persist, try installing Roblox in a different user account on your computer, which sometimes bypasses user-specific errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.